Welcome to my channel. I am Almira, and in this video I will share with you how to make these wrap shorts. And before we start, don't forget to pre-treat your fabric. Pattern has some notches markings, and when you're cutting out the pattern on your fabric, cut them out a little bit. I'm starting a sewing short with making a baby hem. Fold the edge about half a centimeter, pin it, and stitch by 1-2 millimeters from the edge. Carefully trim the excess fabric as close to your stitching line as you can. You may use a smaller scissor for this step. Repeat the same steps with other part of shorts. And now take one back and one front panel, pin them, sew, and overlock the inseam. Then press the seam. And now we have to finish baby hem. Roll the edge toward the wrong side of the fabric to create a tiny fold. Stitch down the center of the fold all the way around. Then press it. Here are the notches markings, which we cut out previously on front and back panels. Match them up, pin and base along the top to hold this together. And that's how it should look like. And we are turning to the next step, is a waistband. Fold the waistband in half and press. Then pin ends of the waistband together with the right sides and sew, leaving a gap for elastic. Now press the seam open. Attach the waistband to the shirt by pinning. Sew on 1 cm seam allowance all the way around. Then fold the waistband inside by 1 cm and pin it down. To make a nice and clean waistband line, I'm basting stitch by hand. However, this step is optional, and if you're sure on your sewing skill, you just skip it and top stitch the waistband. Attach a safety pin to one end of elastic, then start threading that through the gap all around. Pull the elastic out, remove the safety pin and sew ends together. Then close the gap using hand needle. And the final step, top stitch along the waistband because the elastic can twist and flip inside. And that's it. I hope my video would be helpful for you, and if you like it, please subscribe and leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.